Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean the mobile back cover. The effective way to remove grime from the mobile back cover is to use alcohol wipes. Alcohol wipes usually come with a screen protector, but they can also be purchased separately at any mobile accessory store. To clean your phone body, follow the next steps. Take out and unwrap an alcohol wipe. Wipe the mobile back cover. Remove moisture residue with a dry cloth. Another way to clean your phone back cover is to use an eraser. The eraser does not damage the phone cover, so you can use it to clean phone cases made of plastic, wood, leather, and some other materials. That's all for now. Please tell me in the comments on what method of cleaning the phone body helped you. Please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.